Okay, guys, here we are on hole number 3. Plenty of us hit hooks over in this general area. I don't know if you ever picked up on this or not, but this fence ends here, and that's basically marks the boundary for out of bounds. And what they've done here is they've put a white stake here indicating the end of out of bounds and the beginning of what we used to call a hazard, and now we call it a penalty area. So out of bounds is you go back to the tee and you're hitting 3, or you can do our local rule. You can go to the edge of the fairway, not the middle, the closest edge of the fairway, no closer to the hole from here. You can drop the ball and you'll be lying 3 as if you went to the tee, and you'll be hitting 4. So you actually, for 2 strokes, you can use that local rule. Most of us, when we hit one over here and we think it might be out of bounds, we'll hit a provisional. But you can't hit a provisional and then invoke that local rule on the edge of the fairway. So that's part of the marking. So in this particular case, I don't know if you can see it or not, but my ball has come to rest this side of that stake. It's marked with a green tip. That's a no play zone. Even if I had a decent enough lie, I can't play it from there. So my option is, it's off the tee. If I want to, I can go all the way back to the tee and play it again. But the smart option is to take my 2 club lengths relief, no near the hole. Let's pretend I measured it out. 1, 2 club lengths, and drop it within that area. Before I drop, I can move loose impediments, not soil. Soil is not a loose impediment. But these little twigs and pine cones, those are. So if I want to clean that area as much as I can and take my drop. That went closer to the hole. So now I do it again. That ball's in play because it didn't go close to the hole. So now with 1 stroke penalty, I was off the tee in 1, dropping 2, now I'm hitting 3. Now here's some of these guys, for some reason, they get the idea that they can go back as far as they want toward the flag, get it in the fairway with no issues, and take that for a 1 stroke penalty. That's not the case. Your relief here is go back to the tee, or 2 club lengths from the area where it last crossed the margin of the hazard, right in here, no close to the hole. So that's option 2. Option 1 is go back to the tee. Really don't have much else for an option there.